My name is Ann, and I live in Sun City, Arizona. Just retired 4 years ago, but being retired and not being in the business anymore. And I put on a couple pounds, since I've been here. And I went online and I looked for a surgeon in my area, and he had so many wonderful reviews that I couldn't help but not go. So I went to Dr. Brown to speak to him about a tummy tuck. And so he grabbed a whole slew of tummy and he said, yep, we can get rid of all of this. And I was so thrilled, I couldn't stand myself. So I went ahead and did it. And for me, it's all about, how do I trust the doctor? And when I walked into his office, staff and Dr. Brown, I felt like I was with family. He was just so nice and and he was humorous, and I really, I like humor, I like to laugh. And I felt so comfortable with him. I felt like I felt like I had known him for years and years and years, even though he's 100 years younger than me. And besides, the staff was really nice too, very respectful, because as you get older, you become invisible for most young people, and most young people work in doctor's offices, and it was not the case in Dr. Brown's office. I mean, he and his staff are just fabulous. The anesthesiologist came and spoke to me prior to the surgery. He was very nice. I didn't have any qualms. And one of the things that I really liked about Dr. Brown is I also had my thighs, did a thigh lift along with the tummy tuck. And I have some varicose veins that are now gone. And I had the expectation in my mind about how they would look, like they did when I was 20. And Dr. Brown was kind enough to lower that expectation so that I would realize that being 70 is not the same as being 20. And so my legs don't look 20, but maybe they look 40 or 45. And so I'm pleased. I am so pleased. I can't begin to tell you how pleased I am. I just wanted to be the best that I can be at this stage of my life and not look 70 years old. And again, I think I've achieved that through the help of people like Dr. Brown. I would recommend Dr. Brown, absolutely, completely, no questions asked. The man is fantastic.